Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking with Al. Today we're going to make coconut honey cake. Let's get cooking. First, cream the butter and the sugar in your stand mixer or using a hand mixer. Make sure you push through the pasty stage right through to the fluffy stage. It'll probably take about 5 minutes. Then scrape down the bowl before you start adding the eggs. Add the eggs one at a time and make sure they're well combined before you add the next egg. Now add your combined flour and salt 1 tablespoon at a time on a slow speed. Mix until it's only just combined. Now dump in the coconut and just fold it in with your spatula. Place the cake batter in the oven for about 30 to 35 minutes. Now let's get on with the syrup. Place the honey, sugar, water and lemon rind in a small saucepan and boil it for 8 minutes. After removing the cooked cake from the oven, allow it to stand for a few minutes before you pour over that delicious honey syrup. As well, while it's warm, just run a knife around the edges to loosen the edges from the side of the tin. Now it's time to whip up that delicious tangy cream that goes so well with the sweet cake. Dump the cream, sour cream, icing mixture and vanilla into a bowl and using a hand whisk, mix it until soft peaks. If you are a fan of toasted coconut, you have to give this cake a go. This cake is deliciously sticky. The coconut gives it a beautiful, rich flavour. I'm just about to have a taste test. Look at that. The honey syrup having seeped through the cake is absolutely delicious. I would definitely give this one a go, and I really hope you do, and I really hope you enjoy.